Are you having trouble sleeping? Are you suffering from one of the following? Pain in your teeth and gums, headache, earache, or facial muscle pain? Do you know that these can be caused by nighttime teeth grinding? It's okay. Don't panic. We can help you fix it easily in just 10 minutes. Try Eirsty, a DIY customizable mouthguard. Eirsty mouthguard is made from high-quality medical materials, which you can mold and remold anytime and anywhere. Eirsty mouthguard is BPA-free and FDA certified. It is guaranteed to last long and is very comfortable to wear. Every box of Eirsty contains unmolded mouthguards, an instruction leaflet, and an antibacterial traveling case. Please read the instructions carefully if you are new to our product. Making your own custom-fit mouthguard with Eirsty is very easy. What you need is a pan, a stove, a bowl of ice, a metal spoon, a wet hand towel, and a mirror. You can start by filling a pan with water at least 3 inches deep. Then heat it to a boil. In the meantime, dip the metal spoon in the ice bowl. This will prevent the mouthguard from sticking to the spoon. Once the water is boiled, leave it to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, submerge your Eirsty mouthguard into the water. Use the metal spoon to take the mouthguard out of the water after 15 to 20 seconds, or until you see the mouthguard walls start to curl in slightly. If you do it right, the walls of the mouthguard shall slightly curl in while leaving enough space to place your teeth in the center. Leaving the mouthguard in for too long in the hot water will cause the mouthguard walls to collapse on each side with no space to rest your teeth. Drop the heated mouthguard onto a wet towel. At this stage, it is safe to touch the mouthguard with your fingers. Use your fingers to reposition the mouthguard so that you can easily insert it into your mouth quickly and unobstructed. The trick is to keep the front groove outward and line up with the center line of your face. You can perform this step in front of a mirror to achieve a perfect position. Once the mouthguard is in your mouth, gently bite down with consistent force until you feel the tight pressure between your upper and lower jaws. Be careful! Biting down too hard could result in a thinner mouthguard surface, which reduces protection ability, whereas biting down too light will form an inadequate teeth impression and become loose when wearing. Keep maintaining the biting pressure all the way until you finish the forming process. When you start biting, you should also apply external pressure by pressing and kneading around the orbicularis oris muscle, the area above your upper lip. The tip is to press your fingertips and knead that muscle repeatedly from front toward both sides. At the same time, apply internal pressure by pressing your tongue against the palate and suck the air and water out of the mouthguard to create a vacuum environment in your mouth. This action is very important as it is the key to forming a retentive fit shape to your mouthguard for ultimate protection efficiency. The forming process is complete when you no longer feel the tolerance in the mouthguard material. If you are not satisfied with the fit or if it is still uncomfortable to wear, you can remold your Eirsty mouthguard by submerging it into the hot water again and following the molding and forming process from the start. Now you're done. You should get a retentive fit Eirsty mouthguard to prevent you from the nighttime teeth grinding and to protect your teeth when doing sports and heavy exercise. Enjoy your day and night. Eirsty.